Today, I'm gonna show you how recently I learned how to make cheese. We've used this cheese just on sandwiches because you can kind of cut it, kind of crumb it. We've used it on pizza and it's amazing on pizza. So let's start making it. We're only gonna need just 3 ingredients. So the first ingredient is, here we have 4 cups of 2% milk. You can use any percentage. We're gonna put them in here. It also says that 4 cups is 1 quart. I don't know if it helps you. All right, so we put it in a medium heat. We're gonna go a little bit above medium. We have a spoon with holes in it. And basically this is all we're gonna do right now. We're gonna just stand here and wait for it to get quite warm. So we're gonna come back to you when it's quite warm. So we've been heating up the milk and stirring it occasionally, and I can tell that on the bottom there is a little bit of a film, and the top has a teeny bit of a bubble going on. It's not boiling yet, but it is coming to it. So I'm almost at medium. I went a little bit lower. Here I just have 5% regular white vinegar. I'm going to take a tablespoon and I'm going to put it in here. And almost right away, it's going to start to separate. See, right away it's doing something. And I don't know how much to put in, so we're going to see if we need to add a little bit more vinegar. Look at that. It's turning out to be cheese. Okay, let's add a little bit more vinegar, another tablespoon. So right now we're going to be at 2 tablespoons. And I think that should do us. Look at that. You got the whey that's separated from the cheese. This is the magic. And they say the longer you cook it, the harder the cheese is gonna be, but we like our cheese pretty soft, so we're gonna stop in a second here. All right, let's turn it off. So the next step, we have a bowl, a regular strainer, and cheesecloths. You don't have to use cheesecloths, but it does make a straining process a lot easier. And we're just gonna put it in here, whoops. Just like that. We're gonna, do the whole thing. And it's up to you, you can throw away the whey, but I will eventually show you what to do with it, because whey is like gold. You can make stuff with it. We already showed you how to make crepes with it. So I'm gonna put all my cheese in here. Then I'm gonna close the cheesecloths, and I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. And I'm gonna put a little weight on it, like a bowl with an apple on the top. We'll be back to you when it's cooled off and we can salt it. So the cheese has sat under heavy weight for about a couple hours. It came out beautiful. Let's open it up. Let's open up the cheesecloths. By the way, with cheesecloths, I reuse mine many times now. I just wash it under sink water, and that's it. Look at this beauty. Look at this. So we're gonna salt it. It's gonna be about half a teaspoon total. I'm just gonna put it in a bowl and do the other side and spread it around. However, I am gonna test it right now too. As I put it in the bowl, I'm just gonna pinch a piece. It's just really, well, now it's salty because my fingers are salty. It's usually not that salty. It's just really nice, tender, crumbly cheese. It kind of tastes like Russian cottage cheese, but to me it's more like a cheese. And it's gonna stay in the fridge for like till tomorrow, because right now it's in the evening. In the morning we can slice it too. It will slice in like bigger pieces. I'm Zhenya. This is Zhenya's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe. And here's my recipe for homemade cheese.